Like both adults and children located in each passenger seat. First, take the life vest from underneath your seat, tear open, remove the vest in the pouch. Place the vest over your head with the panels on your chest. Wrap the strap around the waist and buckle in the front. To tighten, pull the loose end of the strap. Upon exiting the aircraft, inflate the vest by pulling down sharply the red inflation handle. It may also be inflated manually by blowing the red tube at the top. Each life vest is equipped with a water-activated locator light, and if needed, flight attendants will distribute life vests for infants. There are also 4 slide wraps located at the doors throughout the cabin, as well as 1 additional life wrap located in the overhead bin in the forward cabin. We are a non-smoking airline. Smoking, vaping, and use of all tobacco products is prohibited while aboard this aircraft. This includes, and is not limited to, e-cigarettes and similar devices. No smoking and fasten seatbelt signs and posted placards are located throughout the cabin. Federal regulations require passengers to observe these signs and comply with crew member instructions. To tamper with, disable, or destroy a laboratory smoke detector is a federal offense. In preparation for takeoff, please be certain that your seatbelts are securely fastened, your tray table is secured, and all carry-on baggage is properly stowed. At this time, all passengers must place their mobile electronic devices in airplane mode. In a few moments, we will be dimming the cabin lights. There's a reading light, air vent, and flight attendant call button located in the passenger service unit above your seat. We now invite you to sit back and relax, enjoy your flight, and if there's anything we can do to make your flight more comfortable, please don't hesitate to ask.
Absolutely. My husband worked at North.
Flight deck quick taxi out. We'll be on our way shortly. Flight attendants, prepare for takeoff, please.
Ask cabin secure.